Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your Binance QR code. If you don't know how to get your Binance QR and you are confused about it, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button at the top. Simply select it. After selecting it, here you can find the deposit option right here. Simply tap on it. Now, to get your Binance QR code, simply tap on to the currency that you want to create the QR. Now simply tap on to one, and after tapping it, now you need to choose one of these networks. Now choose one, and after choosing it, here you can simply see your QR code right here. Now simply tap on to save and share address right here. Then here you can find your QR code. Now you can save it on your gallery also, or you can easily scan it from your mobile phone. And that's it. This is how you can get your Binance QR code. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.